Hello everyone and welcome to another video from jdm24scale.com, and today I shall be showing a video tutorial about the procedure I follow to apply flocking to my car interiors. I already have a tutorial about flocking on my website in the tutorial section, but I thought that a video would be more helpful. So let's begin with the materials that are required, beginning with the flocking itself. I got this from MG Models and I will be attaching a link to their Facebook page in this video's description below. I also have some brushes, some flat and round brush, strainer. This is actually a tea strainer, however it does the job quite well. Pipette to drop some water inside the glue for mixing. Household big brush to clean the excess flocking from my workbench. Some water, and also a container to mix the glue with a couple drops of water. This is the glue that I always use. It's PVA white glue, normally used for woodworking. And finally a dust mask, which I find useful because the flocking is made up of a lot of tiny particles which will go everywhere once you start, so a dust mask will always help you health-wise. So before beginning, what I do is I do an online research to see that particular car where the carpet exactly is. This is the top of the Lexus LFA and I would need to cover the sides and also the interior floor. Also in the middle we can see the pins. These are for attaching the seats, and I shall be going around them with the flocking and the glue so that I will not compromise with the seats installation. Alright, so let's start the procedure by mixing some glue. There is no particular ratio over here. I just like to thin the glue a little bit down with some drops of water so that it will be painted better. But be careful not to apply too much water, or else once you start applying the glue it will just start running to the corners, and that's not the consistency you're looking for to attach the flocking to it. With the glue mix, it's time to start applying it using the round brush, and I shall be applying it just like you would with normal paint until all the sides are covered. The glue is now applied on all sides of the tub, and if you notice some extra glue in areas where it's not needed, you can clean it with your finger or else use a toothpick, as I'm doing on this area over here. Now it's time to start applying the flocking on the glue. So first thing is to fill the strainer with the flocking and then start to lightly tap on the strainer and let the flocking fall onto the glue, covering the whole area. You may notice that the mask is still on the desk, so yeah, I'm not wearing it, but if I had to wear it, I'm sure that you will not understand the thing I'm saying right now, so that's why I am not wearing the mask. Next step is, with all the flocking applied, is to push the flock inside the glue, and for this I shall be first using the flat brush and then my finger. When pressing the flocking inside the glue, it's very important that you only push in a vertical direction, because if you move horizontally at this stage, the glue is still not dry, and that will mean that you will distort the flocking particles and you will move them horizontally, and that will mean disaster, and I'm sure you don't want that to happen. Now, the next step is to flip over the interior tab and lightly tap on the bottom, so that the extra flocking that was not adhered to the glue will fall off on your bench. With the tapping done, it's now time to turn the interior tab back in place and see the job we have just done. Now, as you can see, my application cannot be viewed well since I am using black flocking. However, later on I will be moving the camera to better lighting so that you can see my flocking completion. I will now repeat the same procedure for the interior floor, where, as I explained before, I shall be going around the seat installation pins so that I will not affect the installation later on. Let's fast forward the video and see this procedure. Alright, so with the interior floor also completed, let's see why I am keeping that big household brush very close to my work area. And that is to clean the excess material of flocking that has fallen during the tapping. Alright, I shall be collecting it on this A4 sheet of paper and then put back inside the bag for other uses. So, the other side has also been completed, as can be seen, same procedure. And before showing you the final result under better lighting, just some small tips, alright? If you see anything, an area that wasn't covered well, just leave the glue to fully harden before doing another attempt to restore that part, or else you will end up distorting the actual flocking. Even if there is a small part that has fallen on the flocking, just leave until the following day to remove it. Very well, so let's move the camera under better lighting so that I can show you the final result much better. And there you go, both sides fully flogged and looking also very realistic. I will be uploading pictures of the completed interior on my website on the Lexus LF face page, so visit that link to see also pictures of this completed interior. That's all from me regarding this video. Alright, thanks for watching. Please push notification to be advised of future videos. I am trying to be more active on YouTube, and please subscribe to my channel so that I can bring you more content. So before closing this video, I just remembered another thing I do and I wanted to highlight it. The next day, when I'm sure that the glue has fully hardened, I just take the airbrush, low pressure around 1.5 bar, and blow the interior so that all the extra pieces of flocking that might have been attached will be blown away. Thanks for watching. Alright, subscribe. I'll see you in the next.